Hey, hi, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is X the Clown, and it has been a long time. I want to start this video off by apologizing. It has been a very long time. The last video I posted was actually this one about my OC. It wasn't even about my OC, I just wanted to complain about the state of art YouTube at the moment, and that was very lame of me. Not saying that other people can't do it, but for me personally, it was very lame. It was very hypocritical of what I was saying in a different video, where I was like, I hate when people just use their art videos to complain about other things and not talk about their work or their characters or anything like that. It was hypocritical of me, so I admit my fault there. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. I will do a proper update video later. But right now, what I want to talk about is a new project that I started called Deep Mare Comics. It is a comic webring that focuses on fantasy, gothic, horror, sci-fi, any of those like really niche genres that don't get a lot of limelight. I made a webring, and it took me a few weeks to do because it was just a lot of back and forth with the code and a lot of fighting with the layout that didn't want to work and having to find a new layout that did work and just a lot of that back and forth type stuff. And it's finally done. It's available. And in March, I do believe the very last week of March, you'll be able to apply to join the webring. If you didn't know, a webring is essentially a circular chain of websites that are connected to each other, starting and ending at one centralized hub website. It was very much worth it, and it is going to be something that I'm very happy to, push forward with. If you are interested, please visit the website deepmare.neocities.org to get more information. If you want to follow us on social media, we are only on one social media platform, and that is Tumblr, where you can send in asks and just get small updates and stuff like that. And that's it. I recommend using the Tumblr blog on a computer. Same with the website. Computer will give you the best results. It's not impossible to look at it on phone or mobile, but the best results will be desktop. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!